how to change location on Instagram. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change or add a location to your Instagram posts. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device. If you're creating a new post, tap the plus button. It will show in various options. Select Post from the option. Select the photo or video you want to upload, then tap Next. Make any edits you want, then tap Next again. Before sharing the post, tap Add Location. In the search bar, type the location you want to use. Select the location from the search results. Once you've selected it, the new location will appear on your post. Now tap Share to publish the post with the selected location. If you want to change the location of an existing post, go to your profile and open the post. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Select Edit. Tap the current location or Add Location, then search for and select the new location. Finally, tap Done to save your changes. Keep in mind that Instagram doesn't provide a setting to change your phone's actual GPS location. The location added to a post is simply the location displayed on that Instagram post. And that's it. You've successfully changed the location on an Instagram post. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful Instagram tips and tutorials.